Hello viewers and welcome once again to Healthy Wrinkles channel. आज हमारे साथ डॉक्टर पुनीत खन्ना है. Dr. Puneet Khanna is an MD and he specializes in respiratory disorders as well as tuberculosis, being his major specialization. Dr. Puneet Khanna, senior consultant and head of department with the Department of Interventional Pulmonology, Respiratory Disorders as well as Sleep Disorders at Akash Super Speciality Hospital, द्वारका, न्यू दिल्ली. डॉक्टर साहब, धन्यवाद और आपका स्वागत.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Given your specialization in respiratory disorders, मेरा पहला सवाल यह है डॉक्टर, given the current circumstances for elderly persons, आपके क्या specific recommendations है in general, and those who are suffering with asthma or some other lung disorders, उनके लिए कुछ खास recommendations will you like to give?
Well, in these COVID times, in these difficult times, the respiratory diseases, they cause a major morbidity and mortality in elderly. ये जो समय है कोविड का, इस कोविड में ये दोहरी मार है, इन्फेक्शन की मार है, प्लस उसके साथ because many of these patients are indoors and they cannot move out, so the access to healthcare also is very limited for elderly these days. So ऐसे टाइम पे it is very important for us to understand कि जो हमारे elderly हैं उनको अपने respiratory problems को बहुत अच्छे से address भी करना है, and they have to manage it also very well at home, because these days they are scared to go to hospitals, naturally so, and the access to doctors and physicians is a little bit difficult these days. Online तो हो सकता है, but physical meeting is not possible at many parts of the country. So for elderly, that's why it is very important to optimize their lung health, and not for just people who have pre-existing lung disease, but also for those elderly who are vulnerable for getting an infection. So there are many tips and many recommendations that we normally provide routinely to help the elderly to maintain their lung health.
या मेरा डॉक्टर दूसरा सवाल ये है कि कोविड वैक्सीन के ऊपर तो काफी डिस्कशन हो रहा है आज की तारीख में, बट दूसरे भी कई तरह के और वैक्सीन हैं जो एडल्ट्स को शायद देना, एल्डरली को देना शायद जरूरी माना जाता है अक्रॉस द ग्लोब, एंड इंडिया में भी शायद उनके बारे में अभी ज्यादा बातचीत हो रही है. फ्लू के वैक्सीन है या न्यूमोनिया के वैक्सीन है?
Yes,
तो वैक्सीन के बारे में आपकी क्या रिकमेंडेशन है, क्या राय है और कैसे उनको इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है आज की तारीख में?
So yeah, that's a very good question, क्योंकि कोविड का इतना डर है और इतना भय है कि उसके कारण बहुत से हमारे एल्डरली जो हैं they have not got vaccinated for influenza and pneumonia. These two vaccines are also important. जो रूटीन इन्फ्लुएंजा है, जो वैक्सीन जो हमें स्वाइन फ्लू से हो जाती है, दैट इज एन एनुअल वैक्सीन. एल्डरली दैट दे शुड टेक इट डेफिनेटली एवरी ईयर. उसका कोई पर्टिकुलर टाइम नहीं है, हालांकि इट इज रिकमेंडेड दैट इट शुड बी टेकन प्री मॉनसून, बट अगर वो प्री मॉनसून नहीं भी लिया जा रहा है, in India there is no particular season where influenza can affect. It can affect anybody at any time of the year. So whenever they can get time and access to influenza vaccine, they should just get vaccine done for influenza. For pneumonia, the recommendation is that if they have crossed the age of 65, then they can go for a conjugate vaccine, which is the pneumococcal conjugate vaccine or PCV vaccine that is given once in lifetime. But if they are less than 65, then they can go for polysaccharide vaccine, which needs to be revaccinated after 5 years. And when they cross the age of 65 years, then they can get the conjugate vaccine. So both these vaccines are absolutely essential. One is against the influenza or a viral illness for elderly, and the other is against pneumococcal bacterial infection. Apart from this, the COVID vaccination in any case has been advocated, and everybody is going for COVID vaccination also. So for lung health, these three vaccines are absolute must.
Right. और जैसे डॉक्टर अभी कोविड वैक्सीन के बारे में लोगों को काफी पता है, बट फ्लू और न्यूमोनिया वैक्सीन के बारे में और उसके कुछ साइड इफेक्ट प्रॉब्लम्स कुछ होते हैं, या मे बी दे आर लाइक एनी अदर वैक्सीन्स दे कैन बी टेकन?
Yeah, so for influenza vaccine, there are not much side effects. Some local tenderness or हाथ में थोड़ा सा stinging and a fever possibly for a day. They are the only minor side effects. And the same is true for pneumococcal vaccine. Ideally, so both these vaccines can be taken together also in different arms, but normally we recommend a gap of around 15 days between the two vaccines, at least 15 days. But like I said, they are absolutely harmless vaccines. They should definitely be given to elderly, and they can be given at any time of the year, so they should be given.
Right. और मेरा डॉक्टर लास्ट सवाल ये है, from a family member point of view of elderly, what kind of precautions they should take, or what kind of symptoms अगर उनको दिखाई दिए तो then they should take some action about the elderly.
Okay, so if for the specific lung diseases, if any elderly is suffering from unexplained fever which is not going down, cough or breathlessness and expectoration, or unexplained breathlessness in going to washroom or doing daily activities, this should prompt investigations to see the cause of this breathlessness. अगर इसका कोई ऑब्वियस कॉज है या हार्ट की डिजीजेस हैं या कोई और प्रॉब्लम है तो फिर तो इट कैन बी एक्सप्लेन, बट अदरवाइज द लंग डिजीजेस दे प्रेजेंट विद दीज मैनिफेस्टेशंस व्हिच इज खांसी, सांस का फूलना, ब्रेथलेसनेस, चेस्ट पेन, चेस्ट टाइटनेस और फटीग, थकान बहुत जल्दी हो जाना. ये ऑल दीज आर सिम्टम्स ऑफ chest diseases. Other than that, a fall in saturation these days is also one of the signs which any family member can see and point towards a lung disease.
Doctor, pulse oximeter से oxygen measure करना also is one of the important recommendations.
Now one of the vital signs to monitor. Yes.
Right. डॉक्टर साहब, आप एक लास्ट मैसेज क्या देना चाहेंगे एल्डरली और उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स के लिए?
For both elderly and for the family members, I would just advise that these are difficult times for everyone, including the elderly, but there is no need to panic. There is no need to feel scared. If we practice only simple measures like hand washing, strict social distancing, avoiding crowded places, wearing a mask whenever we are meeting people other than our family, whether inside or outside, if we take these simple measures and take our regular medications properly and timely, then there is no reason to be panicky or fearful. We can easily overcome any of the disease which we can.
Thank you, doctor. और आपके टाइम के लिए और एडवाइस के लिए धन्यवाद.